This is a 1973 Pontiac Firebird. It's got the 455 original motor. It's all original car, pretty much. We just had to take a pipes exhaust system that came nowhere close to fitting out of the box. Had to retrofit, modify everything to make it all line up there. Turned out nice and clean. Left the X pipe in there and added some V-band flanges to it so you could take it in and out real easy. But pipes was pretty off on all these pipes. Everything had to be cut, re-welded, trimmed to fit, in and out, in and out, in and out many times to get it in there like a glove. Should sound real nice and clean. We'll do another video on that here in just a second.
Go ahead.